Community leader don't remorselessly brag of beating a cripple. Hey! This one, another breaking heart story. No, they no break anybody heart, na my heart. My people, if una see wetin they do to this disabled man. According to news where reach me, they say this abeg, may you forgive me, or make I just describe am as cripple. Abeg. This cripple na friend to this community leader where they talk about. They say they don't be friends for a long time. Now so now, before you know, they come meet again. Normal level now, your friend, you understand? Joshua, what's up? You understand? Now so this guy just changed the thing. How you go call me Joshua? Call me chairman. I be your mate. Even you don't understand. Even they involve the family. He say because they call him out. Una go so hear am. They call him out. They tell us say why you go do this kind? Into say in they blame the cripple guy in family. Say na in family in they blame. If not, how person where they disabled, person where no get leg, where no get, you understand? And so it's start the cause am. Say how person like that go they drive car. Meanwhile, he wear this straight. He wear get complete body. You know they drive car. I beg, I don't bring us so that una go watch am and listen and see with una own koro eyes. Join me, make me watch the video.
I was driving. He said I called him by his name, Joshua, which is security, and they started beating me up. He said, why would I call him Joshua? I have not called him chairman or people's chair. He beat me up more than 15-20 minutes. He was blowing me from the car, dragged me out. Even my phone, everything is destroyed. The blood is in my car. That it blew my face. I took myself almost 20-something thousand or 50,000 naira. So he tore my shirt all around. I just wanted to show you for the video that I just want somebody that will help me to clear this car, because I have not seen this thing in my life. I just want to let them know that I'm not a pushover.
Yes, I blame your family. Yes, I blame your family. The family where may blame with your condition. They allow you the drive vehicle. Now, you are trying to defend yourself now. Where Umando eating, how can person like you with your condition will be driving? You gotta go on the person where you carry food for months that day. Now they quarrel with that one that day. Say, how can you go allow this kind of person to drive you? You way body complete. Not be supposed to drive this kind of person. Yes, I still repeat them. I blame your family. Where this area they will allow you to drive.
See as he sit down like James Brown. Mr. Joshua. You just sit down like James Brown. Not be only chairman. You dey find person wey go dey call you chairman. Not be only chairman, na table man. When they born you with chair. When you go die, you go heaven with chair. No, I just dey ask. All of una wey like title. Mr. Joshua. No, see, my people, some kind of things just dey vex me for this life. Some kind of things just dey vex me. If your name is Joshua, why you dey expect me person dey call you chairman? I no just don't understand though. Funny enough, if you check am now, you no get anything. No. One pauper. In fact, you no get even this kind of person now go dey sleep on that bridge. You no get anything. No, make una check am. His pocket is as his face is looking ugly. Now you're feeling superior just because somebody is disabled. And they hate people like this. You don't understand that. I feel just in case you don't know, the change we are looking for starts from us. Yes. Not be from politicians. Not be from government. Not be from outside the country. It starts from us. We cannot treat each other badly and we dey expect say the country go dey correct. How? Error. So abeg make una start dey use una head. I no see this kind thing wey happen. I no honorary community leader. Honorary community leader. They go call you chairman. If you come become president of Nigeria, now wetin we go do? Yeah, they smell. I feel terribly, in fact, I feel terribly bad for this disabled man. I feel terribly bad. Una don't understand. I shed tears when I first watched this video. I shed tears because I feel, you don't understand. Una know what it mean today in this kind of position. Already, nature don't treat you bad. Then imagine this kind. No, seriously, this kind of thing. I feel bad. If I tell una say I know they feel no. Until you enter some kind of things, before you go understand people's shoe, how they pain them. Instead of make this goat, thank God, say you get complete body. You dey here, they insult person. Even as you feel that you are complete, do you know how many things you lack? First of all, you lack sense. Yes. And you lack fine face because you are ugly. Your head too is like something they fried. No, make us start a list. You dey come out now because you feel say your hand no bend. You feel you are perfect. You are far from being perfect, bros. You are. Make I not talk because my mood don't change. In fact, everything don't. Tolo. That's your name. I don't define what I go call her. Tolo. Now your name, Mr. Tolo. Community Tolo. That is you. I bet me wanna help me share this video. This man must hear me. He must see me like. Yeah, relax. I dey vex. You understand? I know they like cheating. Now they treat people because they like they get this problem. Now they select who now they treat well. Now they select who now they treat in another. I don't like all those nonsense. I beg. We are all equal. Every life matter. Very, very important. I beg, help me share this video and don't forget to drop your comment. I want to know what thing now they think concerning this tolo where I just bring una phone on screen. And make sure say you subscribe. Very, very important. If not, you go they miss matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.